Today we have one HP gaming laptop. Problem customer said when the update the BIOS, that time it's shut down the laptop. That's why the BIOS is crash. He said like that. When I checked the laptop, actually the in just the both side is broken. Be careful to open. And here when I on the laptop just light only. Here you can see the light. But no display. There's no display. And no caps lock. Nothing. Just turning on but there's no display. So that's why we are going to check out the BIOS. So we will not going to flash directly. First we will try to recover by USB. By USB drive we can try to recover the BIOS. Okay, we'll see. For flashing by USB drive you need the 8 GB one USB drive. Okay, I just plug the USB drive on my PC. And you have to search on Google HP driver. HP driver you have to click the first one, HP driver official. Okay, and select the laptop. And here you have to put your serial number or the model number. I just press my serial number. So my serial number. On which laptop you want to do the model. This is my model HP Pavilion forward. Okay, and here I definitely go OS. Actually, I don't know which OS is that. I just click Windows 10 and system 64-bit. Okay, I submit. And here you can see all softwares and drivers. Here the BIOS. Just click the BIOS and download the BIOS. Okay, just download idea. Right. Okay, after download, I just open the folder. Here is the file. Okay. Here is the file. Here is the file. Just next, set the here is the extracting the file. The file is extract. Just want to use the file. Okay. So to find out the file. Okay, alright. Start light. Okay. Okay, and here you have to next another option. Select your USB drive, which USB you plugged it. Okay, here you can see this is my USB drive, 8 GB. I just selected. Okay, this should be need to format. Okay, actually they need the some fat format. So I just format and next. Now it's copy the file. Okay, alright. After copy, now finish the copy the file. So finish. update on device this. Okay, this is sim like, so just close that one and take out the USB drive, plug it in your HP laptop. Here I'm going to plug my USB drive. This is my USB drive, which one I copied on it. Okay, and now just press the Windows key and B. Okay, Windows and B, and just turn power. Now it's on the power. Just wait. Still there's no display. Now the display light has come. Backlight has come. And here I just wait a long time. The like this processing is not working, so I just going to flash manually. Okay, the BIOS will going to flash by flasher. We had a universal flasher, BIOS flasher. There is a RT 809. Okay, there's a USB, sorry, not a USB, and the BIOS flasher. So I just disconnect the BIOS from the motherboard, then I just put here and we'll do flash, and we will see it's working or not. So we're just going to disassemble the motherboard first. Now identify the chip is a 8 megabyte. Okay, just read the file. We just read the file, and if you want you can save the file. That's going to save the file. Now I just saved the file. Now we are going to open the which one we download the file, the BIOS file. Just download it and just copy this folder, and this is the file. Okay, I'm just going to open and write it. For fixing, we need to just clean the just clean. I just connect the battery over here and RAM also connected. So I just turn on the laptop. Let's see. I have to wait a little bit because the battery, everything is reset. Yes, fine. laptop is on. See, you can see here laptop displays come, and the language is Chinese, so there's no problem, we can change on the BIOS settings.